uMangena uthi amaphoyisa aseKetomena awalikhulumanga iqiniso uma ethi umufi uPhilip Lindokuhle Nzuza wadubula kuqala esashayela ngenxa yamagobolondo eyinhlamvu zesibhamu atholakala eduze kwemoto yakhe. Uthi uma ngabe wayesashayela kwakufanele ngabe amagobolondo asala emgwaqeni ngemuva kokuba imoto ime.
Right here, from what I could see and what is different from what they are saying, they are alleging that they tried to stop the vehicle with the siren on. He pointed the gun and they started shooting. Now, if you look at the position of the cartridge cases, the cartridge cases are in front of the white Honda that is there. If they were shooting at the vehicle while it was in motion, the cartridge cases would be somewhere back, not closer to the vehicle.
uMangena utshele isigcawu ukuthi ukholwa ukuthi umufi wadutshulwa ngesikhathi eqeda ukumisa imoto kanti lokhu kukhomba ukuthi akazange azame ukudubula ebhekise emaphoyiseni. Uthi ngokocwaningo lwakhe amaphoyisa aseKetomena iwona adubula kuqala.
Now, I am of the opinion that immediately after he stopped, that's when he was shot at. Because if you look at the wounds sustained, I would say the first shot could have been most likely this one when he turned around to look at them.
Namhlanje ummeli kaChauke uAdvocate Ncuka Ithobi usola amaphoyisa eKetomena ngokuzama ukumisa umufi uNzuza ngemoto yayingabhaliwe ukuthi ngeyamaphoyisa. Uthi akulula ukumisa imoto uma ushayela ikakhulukazi uma ungaboni ukuthi umiswa ubani.
If you are trying to arrest a person, why don't you drive a marked vehicle so that they know that it's the police?
I would say because they are from the organized unit, they don't drive marked vehicles.
Yes, but it could be anyone.
uLieutenant Colonel Chris Mangena umfakazi wesithathu othule ubufakazi obuthi amaphoyisa aseKetomena ayengekho engcupheni ngesikhathi edubula ebulala iSulu kanti ibhamu eyitholakala endaweni yezigameko sazibekwa yiwona amaphoyisa alolu phiko ukwenzela ukudunga ubufakazi. Isigcawu sikaNkabinde siyaqhubeka.